Hello, everybody. Today we'll discuss the genetics of body appearance and beauty in a fun exploration of science and fashion. Have you ever wondered why people around the world look so different and yet so uniquely beautiful? From height to hair type and even body shape, much of our appearance is influenced by our genes. In this lighthearted guide, we'll explore how genetics shapes our beauty and celebrate the incredible diversity of human bodies across the globe. First of all, let's dive into the role of genetics in body shape. Our body shape is influenced by hundreds of genes that control everything from how we store fat to how tall we grow. This includes FTO gene, often called the fat gene. It affects how the body processes calories and stores fat. LEP gene influences appetite regulation and fat storage. SOL, 1A1 gene, plays a role in bone strength and density, impacting height and posture. MC1R gene, responsible for red hair and fair skin, common in Northern European populations. These genes work together with environmental factors like diet and exercise to create the unique body you see in the mirror. Thus, genes such as FTO and LEP within our DNA code influence individuals with different body shapes. Now, let's dive into height and proportion. What makes us tall or petite? Height is one of the most heritable traits, with over 700 genes involved. For example, variants in the GDF5 gene influence bone growth and final height and posture. The IGH gene also affects growth hormone production, influencing final height and body appearance. But genes are only part of the story. Nutrition during childhood plays a huge role in determining how tall someone becomes. Regarding the genetics of body shape, some of these traits have genetic components, but lifestyle factors and diet also play a big role in determining our overall body composition. Genes like ADIPOC and IRS1 influence whether we tend to store fat around the hips, pear-shaped, or the belly, apple-shaped. Now, let's dive into the genetics of facial features and let's discuss the cultural standards for beauty. Our facial features, like cheekbones, jawlines, and nose shapes, are determined by several genes. Let's mention some of them. PAX3 gene influences nose and eye shape. EDAR gene, found in many East Asian populations, it affects hair thickness, teeth shape, and skin texture. The TBX15 gene is also important, as it impacts fat distribution in the face, contributing to different cheek shapes. Let's dive into hair and skin, a world of textures and colors. Hair texture and skin tone are among the most visible aspects of our appearance, shaped by different genetic factors. One of these is the MC1R gene, which determines red hair and pale skin. 2IR and OCA2 genes influence melanin production, affecting skin tone. Also, the KRT genes are important for their impact on hair curliness and thickness. These traits evolved in response to environmental factors such as UV exposure and climate, creating a stunning variety of hair and skin types. Finally, let's mention on how different cultures celebrate beauty in unique ways. In Brazil, curvy, athletic body types are often celebrated, with vibrant beachwear accentuating their forms. Japanese beauty often emphasizes clear, porcelain-like skin and delicate features. African cultures highlight natural hair textures and striking silhouettes, with bold patterns enhancing their beauty. Cultural beauty standards often emphasize certain features, but true beauty lies in the incredible variety of appearances we see worldwide. As humans migrated and adapted to different environments, genetic variations contributed to the rich diversity of body types and appearances we see today. Modern beauty standards, however, are constantly evolving, and more societies are embracing inclusivity and the natural beauty of all body shapes and features. It's important that we all understand and celebrate diversity to highlight the beauty of diversity. See you in the next chapter of The Genetics of Beauty.